Hello guys, it's me Akhil. Back here with another video for the Redmi Note 3. So after a long time, the restriction remix has came back into the Redmi Note 3 with their newest version for the Redmi Note 3. So for a last couple of months or nearly 6 months or so, the restriction remix is sort of not at all giving any sort of updates for the Redmi Note 3, and their forums were completely off. Now they have came back to the Redmi Note 3 department and with their newest Oreo 8.1 for the Redmi Note 3. I will start by showing you the Android versions and the security patch versions. So the Android version is of the 8.1 and the security patch of the version October 5th. I know it is still pretty old. The 8.1 is sort of done now and everyone is moving into the Android P and all, but it's good that the restriction remix still showed back into the Redmi Note 3. So everything is similar to what we have seen in all other audio ROMs. The multitasking, the navigation bars, the notification, the soundbar, everything seems to be similar to the all others. And as we know, it's restriction remix and there is no any sort of bugs which are present over here. Everything works perfectly over here, which I am happy with it. The front cam, back cam, everything works perfectly. The triggers are very good. So I will just walk through a couple of customization features of the restriction remix and we will just end up this video because there's nothing much more that I have to say about the restriction remix. So over here we have the customization for the status bar, clock, date, network traffic, battery. These are normal stuff that we are seeing on the restriction remix. I want to just go through a newer sort of options which are present over here. So we can currently add an EC tile, then music tile track can be added over there. So those are some new features over there. Then the general UI could be customized. The interface is something which I am very proud of the restriction remix. So the fingerprint settings, the fingerprint authentication, vibrate for the successful fingerprint that can be on or off, unlock device with the fingerprint even after reboot. So normally if you reboot the device, you have to enter the pattern in order to continue using the fingerprint. If you own this, then you don't have to do that. Then this is something different. This is known as blur personalizations. So you can control the blur color which are present on the device. So those blur colors can be controlled right now. Those are some new features added to the restriction remix. The custom LCD displays over here. We can customize the LCD density according to us. Then we have the normal theming, smart pixels. So this is something which makes me saying that this ROM is not actually meant for the Redmi Note 3, or it is sort of a porter for the Redmi Note 3. So we have the option to enable smart pixels. That means it shuts off the pixels which are not actually in use. But unfortunately this can't be used on the Redmi Note 3. The Redmi Note 3 comes with an IPS LCD panel, not an AMOLED panel. Only AMOLED panel will be able to shut off the pixels each by each. On the LCD display like this, we can't actually use that. So that's something which says me that this is not a ROM which is meant for the Redmi Note 3. And we have the prevent burn by shifting the pixels everywhere. If you know, on the AMOLED screens we have always on display, or if and picture is always showing up on the same side on an AMOLED panel, it will just end up on burning those screens or those pixels. So with this option we can shift those, but all these are sort of useless for the Redmi Note 3 because ours comes with an IPS LCD panel, not an AMOLED panel. And the normal lock screen customization features, button customization features, navigation, you can on or off the screen navigation button. Then we can adjust their height, landscape width can be adjusted, all are available here. The animations could be currently controlled. The toast notifications, the toast icons could be displayed or not displayed. The system animations can be controlled over here. And we have the set of list of animations over here. So it is restriction remix, and it can have a hell lot of customizations with those. Then we have the gestures. Edge gestures could be enabled. This gesture anywhere. If you tap on this, you can draw something over here, then it will open something. Currently I haven't set any sort of gesture, so I will just add a gesture over here. And application, I will add camera. Okay, and I will give C as its gesture and done. So so you can add gestures of your own. You can tap over here, then write a C, it will open the camera. I think we can actually lower that width also. Okay, that might be good. Yeah, it works. So you can adjust the trigger height, width, and all. The height could be also lowered if needed. Then app circular bar, use circular sidebars to store your quick activities that can be enabled. Then some Pi enabled features are over here. The theme could be of the battery indicator can be circle or both, anything, but unfortunately none of them works at the current moment. So there are certain this sort of bugs, but there are no bugs on the daily usage. And we have some of the miscellaneous, and we have at last the about the restriction remix. So that's it, guys. That's all about the restriction remix. I think I gave you a quick look into the restriction remix. I don't want to go into all the customization features that the restriction remix offers, because that will make the video length like a 1 hour. So thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Please try to hit that red subscribe button, because that makes me motivated to make more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.